everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm super excited for this video. We're going to be talking about a love potion bag from Danielle Nicole. It's a Harry Potter bag. I've been reviewing a lot of Harry Potter bags recently from Loungefly as well as straight from like the Wizarding World. So I will have all those relevant links down below if you want to see a little bit more, like the Golden Snitch bag or the Yule Ball bag, Honeydukes, all that good stuff. But today we're talking about the love potion and it is absolutely adorable. It's very cartoony. It's shaped like a heart. It has some embroidery in the back. It has a rose gold chain and I think it's really beautiful and I wanted to talk about it today. So this is my first Danielle Nicole bag. I've never purchased a bag from her before. I've seen her stuff and I think it's very beautiful, but sometimes I just didn't like the price, even though now I feel like Loungefly bags are kind of increasing in price, so they're almost kind of the same. On the Danielle Nicole website, this bag retails for $78. There is an option for Afterpay, so you can make installments of $18 that are interest free. Honestly, that's how I get a lot of my bags when I don't want to pay upfront for them, because bags just add up. Loungefly, Danielle Nicole, all of it just adds up when they just constantly releasing really cute items. I personally found this love potion bag at Harry Potter New York. I am glad I waited because it's just so beautiful. In the Harry Potter New York store, it's actually $70, so you save $8 right there, and I think it's really cute. It was really speaking to me. I pretty much love anything love potion related. It's featured heavily in the 6th book of Harry Potter and the 6th movie, which funny enough is one of my favorites, but I think I've only watched that movie once. It's like the one movie that I haven't really rewatched lately from Harry Potter. But anything love potion related, I really love. Like, I recently, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen my love potion earrings that I've bought from one of my friends who I also work with, and she has an Etsy shop. It's super cute. I'll link it down below. I'm not getting paid to say that. It's just the love potion, that whole aesthetic. I'm obsessed. I love it. So let's take a look at the bag. It's very cartoony, like the shading, the font, all of it is really beautiful. It has a little stopper. You can see it from the other side, so it does stick out a little bit more than the rest of the body, and it's a heart-shaped bag. It has some embroidery in the back. The rose gold chain is beautiful. The only thing I don't really like, or I feel like it wasn't enough thought put into it, was the inside lining is just completely black. I feel like even a pink would have sufficed, or something cute, but there's nothing on the inside. It's just black lining. It's a really cute bag. Obviously it is very small, so this is not going to be for everyone. For me, I don't really mind because I really love the novelty bags. I love things that are not shaped in a traditional sense. So even though I love Loungefly mini backpacks, I also love these kinds of bags. And I have experience with heart-shaped bags because I think last year I talked about this bag. This is a heart-shaped bag from Forever 21. This was like 20 bucks 2 or 3 years ago. And it's actually a little bit bigger than the love potion bag. But this is my go-to bag for running errands. Like, I can fit my wallet, I can fit my hand cream, my hand sanitizer, gum. So I feel like I'm not gonna have any issues fitting anything in here. Probably just my water bottle. That's like the only thing. I try to keep up with my water intake at all times without having to buy or rely on plastic water bottles. So that would be the only thing that can't fit in this bag. But yeah, for me, the size doesn't matter. I know a lot of people don't like it. A lot of people think it's just too obnoxious. I think it just depends on your taste. For me, I'm all about the Loungefly bags. I'm all about like those cute, fun Disney or Harry Potter themed stuff. I'm a sucker for it, I'll admit it. I've reviewed the Golden Snitch bag on this channel, which is also cheaper. Like, the Wizarding World bags are cheaper than like Danielle Nicole and Loungefly. So if you go to Harry Potter New York, depending on their stock, sometimes you'll see the Golden Snitch bag, which I reviewed. It's $30. There's also the acceptance letter bag, which is also $30. It's only really like the Loungefly, the Danielle Nicole, the Vera Bradley stuff that just tends to be a little bit more expensive. As a collector, that's not a big issue. Like, I just try to budget accordingly, even though for 2022 I am looking to kind of put a stop to a lot of those kinds of purchases. I think the love potion is cute. I think it's very recognizable. It's a very unique bag. For me, it's worth getting, and I did not hesitate. I bought it on the first day that I saw it at the Harry Potter New York store, and I'm really happy with it. Let me know what you think down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and like I said, I'll have all relevant links to all the other videos down below, as well as my other social media links. So BunnyJanie on Instagram and on Twitter, that's where I give you behind the scenes looks at stuff that's going on, things that I'm filming, complaints, rants, all kinds of things. So I will have that there. And yeah, thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. Happy Valentine's Day for those who are celebrating, whether you're in platonic friendships or with loved ones, it doesn't matter. I hope you have a wonderful day, and until next time, bye.